How to log in to your att.net account. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of successfully logging in to your att.net email service provider. att.net is a collaborative venture of two companies, which is at&t and Yahoo. So in order to log into your account, let's head over to the website first. Search for att.net on the search bar, and it's going to take you to the official website of att. And on the top left hand side, you can see it says currently from at&t and Yahoo. Now to log into this account, you'll need to click on the sign in option that you see on the top right. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login box, where you now need to type in your user ID first. So type in the user ID that you created while signing up for att.net. If you forgot your user ID of att, you can click on this forgot user ID link, and through this section you can type in the email address that is linked with this account and recover the user ID. In the second box, type in the password, but in case you don't remember your password also, you can click on the forgot password option. And through this section, you can recover your password or create a new password by typing in your user ID and your last name. Now lastly, if you want to stay signed in the next time you open up this website, you can check this box. Now avoid doing this step if you're not using your personal device or if you're using a shared device. Once you fill in both this information, just click on sign in, and if the information that you entered is correct, you will be successfully signed in to your att.net account. So that was a quick and easy process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.